Short sale myths debunked. Would a bank rather foreclose on your property than agree to a short sale? Many homeowners are under the impression that banks are eager to foreclose on their property rather than to opt for a short sale. But that is a myth. The foreclosure process is profoundly expensive to banks, so by agreeing to a short sale, they receive a significantly higher return. The short sale of a home results in an average loss of about 19% for the bank, a significant amount of money that has, unsurprisingly, misled homeowners to believe that banks would rather just foreclose on the property than to deal with the short sale. However, the average foreclosure process hits the bank with a whopping 40% of loan loss, and it becomes easy to see why a short sale is favorable. Qualifying for a short sale is easier than you might think. The only requirements are that you owe more on your home than it is currently worth, and that you can prove you have a bona fide hardship. Large banks have even begun to offer cash incentives of up to $30,000 to encourage homeowners to short sale their homes. Both homeowners and banks have benefits to perform a short sale. Diane Marassa is your expert in the short sale process, with over 1,000 closed sales in her 10 years as a Prudential California realtor. Do not wait for your home to go to foreclosure. The short sale process can save you and your bank precious time and money. Call Diane Marassa today to find out how she can help you with your short sale.